Renault has updated the 5th generation Clio to keep it competitive with rivals such as the Volkswagen Polo, Skoda Fabia, and Seat Ibiza. The mid-size update comes 4 years after the 5th generation Super Mini was first unveiled. The Renault Clio has been given a pretty comprehensive facelift for 2023, with the front end seeing most of the styling changes. It now has a much wider grille with a funky-looking checkered pattern as well as redesigned headlights. The daytime running lights also now flow into the lower bumper. You can now get the Clio in Spirit Alpine trim, which gets you some sporty upgrades such as a silver airfoil in the lower bumper. You have a selection of 17-inch alloy wheels to choose from as well. Styling changes are slightly more subtle at the rear, with some tweaked tail lights being the main highlight. The new Clio also features Renault's new retro-looking logo. The French motor company also noted that the color options will include white, platinum, grey, pearl black, iron blue, desert red, Valencia orange, and ruffle grey. The interior has largely been carried over, but there are new sustainable materials throughout the cabin. As a matter of fact, you can't buy the 2024 Clio with leather upholstery. Instead, the seats are covered in a material made from organic and polyester fibers called TEP. Step up to the Spirit Alpine and the small hatch gets sportier front seats and better lateral support. As far as technology is concerned, the digital instrument cluster comes in 7 and 10-inch sizes, while the touchscreen is available in 7 or 9.3-inch configurations. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are supported, along with built-in navigation, a 360-degree camera, and no fewer than 20 driver assistance systems. Highlights include adaptive cruise control and level 2 partially automated driving. The powertrain lineup includes the usual suspects, starting with a naturally aspirated 3-cylinder 1.0-liter unit rated at 65 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque delivered to the front wheel via a 5-speed manual gearbox. Up next is another 1.0-liter 3-cylinder but turbocharged to 90 horsepower and 118 pound-feet transferred through a 6-speed manual. The flagship powertrain is available in the Clio E-Tech Full Hybrid 145, which combines a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine with a pair of electric motors and a lithium-ion battery pack with a 1.2 kWh capacity. Diesel's not dead yet, since Renault will be offering the 2024 Clio with a blue DCI 100 unit, a familiar 1.5-liter mill producing 100 horsepower and 192 pound-feet, mated to a 6-speed manual.
To sleep